Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how BSR drives better organic traffic and sales. Let's get into it. Focusing on bestseller rank, BSR, can be a more effective growth strategy than relying solely on keyword rankings. While keywords remain important, recent shifts in how Amazon presents search results and attributes traffic have made BSR a more reliable indicator of organic visibility and sales momentum. Bestseller rank is Amazon's way of measuring a product's performance within its category. As a product sells more units, its BSR improves, which signals to Amazon that this product is in demand. In response, Amazon begins surfacing that product more frequently across organic placements, leading to increased visibility and more potential sales. This creates a feedback loop where better BSR leads to more organic traffic, which leads to more sales, and so on. Historically, sellers placed heavy emphasis on keyword rankings, but over the years, the Amazon search landscape has changed significantly. Today's search results are filled with advertisements. Sponsored brands, sponsored products, and product display ads dominate nearly every section of the customer journey. This saturation reduces the visibility of organically ranked listings, especially on mobile devices where ad placements consume most of the screen. Because of this, a high keyword ranking no longer guarantees meaningful visibility or conversions. Instead, maintaining strong sales velocity and a healthy BSR increases the chances of being shown in Amazon's customers also bought, related products, and bestseller placements. Amazon's reporting tools often add complexity. For example, sponsored product ads that target keywords can still appear on product detail pages. If a customer clicks the ad on that product page, the click might still be attributed to the keyword. This leads to inconsistencies when comparing data across search query performance reports and advertising reports. It's not uncommon to see more ad clicks attributed to a keyword than the total number of organic clicks for that same keyword in the search performance data. These discrepancies highlight how Amazon's attribution models can blur the lines between what's considered a search click versus a product detail click. Customers often go through a multi-step journey. A search may initiate the journey, but the final click may occur on a completely different page. Despite this, the original search still played a critical role in the conversion path. Understanding relative changes over time can be more valuable than relying on static performance metrics. Tracking the change in impression share, click-through rate, add to cart rate, and purchase rate over time provides a clearer picture of whether a product's visibility and engagement are improving. For instance, if a product has high impression share but low click-through rate, it could indicate an issue with the main image, pricing, or title effectiveness. Metrics such as click-through rate and purchase rate become even more insightful when monitored alongside category-level performance and BSR movement. These indicators help refine advertising strategy and content optimization, allowing sellers to allocate resources where they will have the most impact. Ultimately, prioritizing BSR and sales momentum aligns with Amazon's own incentives. The algorithm rewards what performs best. By focusing on performance-driven strategies, sellers can achieve better organic placement and stronger long-term growth, rather than chasing temporary ranking boosts for individual keywords. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.